Oh my, that was funny. I wish I could watch that one more.
Yeah, you jerk. He's gonna have a whale of a time.
Too bad Eddie hasn't had a whale in time. Look, is that where we're going over there?
Where? In and out? Yeah, right there, dude. That's sick. You can see it right there. See the sign lit up, Aaron?
Aaron, do you see the sign?
You don't.
Tell me you see the sign.
I saw the sign. And it opened up my eyes. Thank you.
You ready to take it? There you go.
What?
Oh.
My mistresses for the evening.
Okay. You gave me a headache because I was drinking it. So I'm going down. You know what this is called?
Figures and finalis.
No, it's a stem. Idiots. No. Let me yell that again, my wife.
Right under here, right?
It's cold in here.